Hi, welcome to the Market Alert for Thursday, the 10th of September 2015. Starting in yesterday's pre-market session, I just want to clarify a couple of things. A few questions have come in about this. The hours that I'm actually trading are 6 till around 9:30, 10 a.m. And the reason for that is that we still have the follow through the afternoon session in China, which has been moving the markets, the electronic markets in the West, and also the European market. The German DAX comes on stream at 7 a.m. as well, and that's usually busy for a couple of hours. So after sort of 9ish, forget it. So here you can see at 6:45 yesterday morning the market moving higher before reversing and then ultimately going quiet after the 9:30, which is this is the 9:30 time here, and then the market just sideways, and then waiting a few hours before we consider the afternoon session. I still have the time set on here so that you can see the shaded areas of what we would do given normal market conditions, but at the moment we don't have normal market conditions. There's a lot of volatility around at the moment, and this can be seen by the start of yesterday's session. The market trading down sharply here before the market bounces for 20 points, and then we go into effectively the afternoon session that was quiet, which it hasn't been for a while. So here you can see the market quiet there, and then as we return in the evening, prices trading down, bouncing back, and then trading down again before the close. And the reason for this is the Chinese finance minister was talking, and this is apparently the result of what he had to say. So just to again clarify that, sort of 6 till 9 a.m. and then, unless you're in a trade of course, and then keep the trade going as long as you can, and then it's the usual official session of 2:30 for the remainder of the time. And then again, the evening sessions at the moment are actually having enough volatility in to actually trade as well. But of course you have to take a view. Each day is slightly different at the moment, but given the backdrop of the 1,000-point drop, which will be 2 weeks this Monday when it took place. So in the daily charts, you've got the market trading up to that 16,702 yesterday, just about getting there before the market came back, and now we're going back up again. And again, just to reiterate this is not unusual given the backdrop of what we've got here with the sell-off, and this is the calm before the storm for the next move to the downside, and I have a feeling this is going to happen before the end of this month. So again, this sideways movement is perfectly normal and characteristic. It was the same in 2008 when we saw the last drop. And also notice that the volume has dropped off markedly. This again is an indication there's nobody buying this market. These are market makers holding the market at these sort of levels at the moment. It's a clear indication in the volume window there. Today's news, we've got official bank rates at midday. That's forecast to stay the same. Can't see Carney increasing interest rates during his tenure. He's threatened many times since he came into office, and the country left behind, Canada, has now hit a recession as well. So whatever he did there, let's hope he doesn't do here. And what else have we got? Anything else in the afternoon? Nothing. Everything's done and dusted by 1:30 p.m. 4 p.m. crude oil inventories. That's the only thing, and that's going to show a drop off in inventories at this week's as this week's figures are actually released. And let's have a quick look around the globe. China down 0.31. This was up 2.9 when I looked earlier. So again, whatever they're doing over in China isn't really helping matters. It's down at the moment. And the implied volatility 21.24. Quiet day for yesterday. The market sideways in the chart there. Right, that's it for this morning. I'll see you in tomorrow's edition of the Market Alert, and hopefully the volatility levels that we're experiencing at the moment will continue, because it's great for the momentum behind the moves to the next psychological levels, as you've seen in the 5-minute chart there. Right, see you in tomorrow's edition. As ever, thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.